Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Google Merchant Center for product feed cleanup step by step clearly. Log in to your Google Merchant Center account. Navigate to the products section in your account dashboard. Select the feed option from the drop-down menu. Identify the product feed you wish to withdraw. Click on the feed name to open its details. Locate the three-dot menu icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the three-dot menu to reveal additional options. Select the Withdraw option from the list. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to withdraw the feed. Review any important information regarding the withdrawal process. Confirm your decision by clicking on the Withdraw button. Once confirmed, the feed status will change to Withdrawn. Check for any notifications or alerts related to the withdrawn feed. If needed, navigate back to the Products section to view the status of your other feeds. Make necessary adjustments or cleanup to your product listings as required. Remember to follow up on your feed adjustments to ensure compliance with Google's policies. After making changes, you can re-enable the feed when ready. Monitor your Merchant Center account for updates on your product listings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.